Okay, Belgium. Okay, start from the Philippines.
Mabuhay! I am Emma Mary Tiglao from the Philippines, of course. And I am a TV host, entrepreneur. I'm a journalist, news anchor in my country. And also, I'm a public speaker. Year 2019, 6 years ago, I was invited to speak in Global Youth Models United Nations, to speak in front of the youth so that I can inspire them to use their voices. And aside from those professional jobs that I do, I love glamping. It's like glamorous camping. I love staying in the beach. Yes, and also I love traveling. Traveling not in terms of just exploring the place, but also I want to make profit in terms of traveling. That's why I do fashion shows in New York. I also do a ramp model in Australia, yeah, Sydney and Melbourne. And I did a fashion show here in Thailand, so I think that's part of it, you know. And aside from that, I love talking to different people because I'm a curious person. I always ask. That's why a while ago when I hosted a live at Miss Grand International, I was so happy because I talked to some girls and learned different things from them. So I love knowing different stories. And also, I'm a storyteller. Thank you.
Okay, Belgium.
Hi, I'm Jane Basson and I'm your Miss Grand Belgium.
So inyo pong napanood si Emma Tiglao dito sa Grand Talk ng Miss Grand International 2025 kasi ngayon ang naka-schedule itong si Emma Tiglao para dito sa question and answer portion na kung saan ay nandito si Nawat at itong si Champi at the same time itong si Teresa. So question itong si Emma Tiglao at later part of this video is ating panonoorin yung ibang bahagi ng interview dito kay Emma Tiglao. So mga kapolitika, yung first part is nitong last few days, di ba, nagkaroon ng question and answer, and then ngayon naman is na-resume na yung part 2 dito sa Q&A portion ng MGI 2025. So dito is natanong itong si Emma Tiglao at inintroduce na yung kanyang sarili. So dito kasi sa later part ng kanyang sagot, mga kapolitika, siguro yung maging advice ko sa kanya, yung aking maging opinion or maging reaction ay siguro i-shorten niya minsan yung kanyang sagot kasi 'di ba doon sa sa Miss Grand Philippines is meron siyang sagot din na question ngayon kasi medyo mahaba na yung sagot ni Emma Tiglao. So siguro ang magandang gawin ay i-shorten lang or be specific lang doon sa answer nung question. So latter part is panonoorin po natin yung part ng pagsagot ni Emma Tiglao. So dito sa question answer, mga kapolitika, gusto ko lang i-highlight din yung sinabi ni Mr. Nawat, yung patungkol nga sa kanyang pa-live selling kasi naisingit na naman ito ni Nawat. So ang sabi niya ay malaki daw kasi yung kinikita nila dito sa pagdating sa live selling. So yung mga candidate is nakaharap lang sa camera, and then pag merong bumili ng product is wala namang gagawin daw yung candidate. Automatically yung product is masiship sa kaagad doon sa bahay nung nag-order. So in other words ay yung seller is nakaharap lang siya sa phone, and then pag merong order doon is merong department siguro ito na nag-check or technical committee na nag-check nung mga orders doon sa platform nila, and then wala nang gagawin yung candidate, meron siyang commission bawat sold nung product. So it means na ang sabi dito ni Watt is easy money lang daw itong pag-live selling kasi dito daw talaga kumikita yung organization, yung pageant, kasi pag hindi daw sila mag-live selling, mag-depend lang sila dito sa mga sponsors. So wala daw kikitain yung organization, kung kaya makita naman kasi natin, mga kapolitika, dito sa mga production nila, dito sa mga pa-event, dito sa kanilang pag kumakain sila is talagang maganda yung serving ng mga pagkain nila, hindi talaga tinipid sa mga candidate. So makikita mo naman na meron ring napupuntahan itong pag live selling nila Nawat or dito ng Miss Grand International. So meron ring mga portion dito, siguro tinitesting ni Nawat yung patience ni Emma Tiglao kasi maraming mga nakakapansin na minsan ay merong mga hidden meaning minsan yung mga sinasabi or mga tanong ni Nawat. Just like nga doon kay ano, 'di ba, kay CJ Opiasa last year is natanong siya, naprangka talaga siya ni Nawat doon sa cooking show daw itong Miss Grand International, sinasabi natin na cooking show. So yun lagi siguro tinitestingan din ni Nawat yung patience ni Emma Tiglao dito. At ang kagandahan naman dito is nasasagot naman ni Emma Tiglao yung mga tanong ni ni Nawat. At the same time nagpapakita rin siya ng professionalism. So narito po at panonood natin yung video ng pag-uusap nila dito sa Grand Talk tonight. And then ngayong araw po, October 9 na, ay magkakaroon po dito ng swimsuit competition sa MGI 2025, which is isa sa pinakainaabangan ng ating mga kabayan at mga supporters ni Emma Tiglao doon sa Thailand. So kung kayo ang tatanungin mga kapolitika, ano po ang inyong magreaksyon dito sa mga sagot ni Emma Tiglao sa question and answer portion ng MGI or ng Grand Talk 2025? Mag-comment down below at huwag kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe na rin kayo para updated kayo sa ating mga latest issue.
Really cheerful too, and I'm really happy to be representing my country that's little but very strong.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Okay, your question.
Okay, so this is a bit serious.
Serious?
So there's a lot of things happening in the world right now. So what do you think we need? A change of men or a change in men? And why?
Oh, it's serious, huh?
Serious.
na?
Just a little practice for the finals, maybe.
Okay, maybe what we need is not a change in men, but a change in our values. And what we really need to do is to make sure that we inculcate these values from a really young age, and we start promoting empathy, respect, maybe not only in men, but in humanity as a whole. So we are more human, more empaths, and we can solve many problems that we have currently. Thank you.
Thank you. Philippines. Oh, Philippines.
A change of man or a change in man, I would choose a change in man. I hope that we will change our mindset, because if we will change our mindset, we will understand and accept differences. That's what we need. That's peace. That's where peace starts, you know, when we understand each other, when we accept each other. I know it's hard, but we need to adopt. We need to adopt to change. So we need to change our mindset so that we can achieve peace all over the world. And aside from that is, if we will change of men, we will be gone. A change in men, change in mindset, but we should stick on our core values, because if we will stick on our core values, then we will not be what you call this? We will not other people how do you call that? We will not other people control us, you know? Because here in our world, we have different cultures, different decisions, and different values. And if we will stick to that, then we will know the word acceptance. That's it.